Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex. I go by Lex, I go by Alex, I go by, yeah, that's pretty much it. But I do travel, lifestyle, beauty, fashion, and I want you to join the family. So please go ahead and click that subscribe button and stay tuned for everything because your girl is rolling out videos, okay? Let's get started on this review. I wanted to do a review of the Forever Mood fragrance, and I also wanted to add in a few other fragrances that is affordable if you're starting your journey with like trying to figure out what's your vibe, what's your signature scent, what you like. I think that this video will be helpful because you don't have to spend a you don't have to go to the bank and get all your money to go buy no perfume. It is very much a lot of affordable options out here, and I wanted to go over a few that I've been wearing for, years. I've been wearing these fragrances since like high school, and that was over 10 years ago. So yeah, let's get started. So I did get the Discovery set, right? And if you know, I don't have to really say anything. Everyone know who Jackie Aina is. If you don't, this is her on the back of here. She has a candle company. Well, initially it started out as a candle brand, and she just launched her first 4 sets of fragrances, and I have to say I am very pleased. I am very pleased. I love Jackie. I've been following her and watching her journey for a very long time, and this is amazing. So let's just jump right into it, right? So you already know she has 4 different fragrances for us to try. I have to say that the one that really stands out to me, it's not my favorite, but it stands out to me, would have to be NDA, which is this one. And I say that because it is a very unique smell. I've never smelled anything with like a tobacco flower. I know how tobacco smell, and I'm just like, tobacco? I'm not sure. But when I say this is done so well, I feel like they were in the lab really cooking up something with NDA because it smells so good. At first, I put it on. It was a bit much for me. It was giving tobacco. It was kind of strong. It smelled good, but I just wasn't feeling it. But I let it sit for a few hours, and the tobacco, like, you know, slowly started to die down. It smells so good. Love it, love it, love it. So if I had to put them in order from the one I like the most to the least, and all of them are amazing, but it's like, what would I not wear on a daily basis sort of vibe. So my favorite would have to be You Remind Me, which reminds me of it reminds me of like a Valentino fragrance that I have, and I'm gonna pop that in a little later in this video. But You Remind Me smells so good. I love that one. I Am Her. I saw a video of Jackie saying that when she was making this, she wanted something that smells pink. I don't know what that color smells like, but it gotta be this. This smells so good. It's very girly, very pink. Like it gives off what I think she was trying to put down. I really do. The next one will have to be NDA because it's so unique. I wouldn't wear it every day. It really gives like old money vibes. Like, that's what it reminds. It gives old money. So if I wouldn't wear it every day, but if I was to have it, it would be number 3 out of the 4. But the last one would be hard to get, which is, I would say it's kind of a tie between NDA and hard to get. Kinda. Not lied. No. Hard to get would be the last one because I don't really like vanilla that much. I'm not like a person who likes sweet and like candy-ish vibe. I'm not that. I don't really like that. It's just too sweet for me. So I would put hard to get at the very bottom. But like I said, all 4 of these are so good. If you have not, and then remember, this set right here is $28. I mean, the little containers, they are, they're good size. I've sprayed all of them once already, but if you are looking to try these out, definitely go ahead and go get this Discovery kit because you will not be disappointed. So that's that. Oh, and the one that I will be buying full size will be You Remind Me. Obviously, it's just so good. Okay, now let's talk about affordability. I would definitely rank Forever Mood as one of the top fragrance right now on the market that is affordable and is something to begin with. I think each one of these is like $78 a pop. If I'm not mistaken, they're $78 per bottle, which is affordable, but everyone has a different budget. For $78, 80 bucks still may be a lot for some people, but if I feel like if you're trying to start out with something very different and unique in terms of like, you know, getting your collection together, Forever Mood would definitely be that girl. However, if you are on a tighter budget, the 80 bucks, please go to Zara. Go to Zara. I have been wearing Zara fragrance since I was in high school. I mean, literally since I was in high school. I'm 30 years old now. I'm 30. Or the girls was wearing the fragrances, and not saying that means anything because it does not, but I just love how it smells. But I only used to wear the same one over and over, or the same two over and over. So the two that I have been wearing for a very long time, I know there's one that was discontinued. I don't know the name of it, but they no longer sell it. But the two that I have been wearing since high school would have to be this one, which is Red Vanilla. So good. Hold on. Oh my goodness. And I'm not a note person. I'm not like, oh, it smells like, you know, oh, rose and wood. I don't know, sis. I just like the smell. I like how it smells. It's I don't know. I'm gonna put the notes on the screen because I'm not the person to do that, but I can research and put it on the screen. So I'm gonna put the notes on the screen. But this right here is $25. $25. Affordable. I don't know which one this is. Like, it's similar to a luxury, like a high-end fragrance. I'm not sure, but if I can find it, I'll also put it on the screen. But this will be the first one, would be Red Vanilla. At Zara, $25. And you can buy a smaller one for cheaper than this. So the next one would have to be Nude Bouquet. I absolutely love this. When I say love, I'm obsessed. It smells so good. It smells so good. And what's crazy about this is well, it has now been put out that it's a dupe. And I ended up buying the actual designer brand fragrance and didn't realize that when I got home, I'm like, wait, this, like, I knew I liked the smell, but I'm like, it smells very similar to something I have. I wasn't sure. This is the dupe of the Miss Dior. Smells very much close to the Nude Bouquet. So let's see. It smells like the exact same thing. Like, that is so crazy. Yeah. Yeah. So what happened was, why I got both is I knew I wanted a Dior fragrance, and this was the first one I bought. And I was coming back. I was in the airport coming from Dubai, and I don't know, I walked past the counter and I remember, oh, well, it's my birthday, so I want to, you know, didn't spend enough money in Dubai, but I'm like, let me go buy me a fragrance. And I bought this one, and I didn't even realize the names were similar. This is Blooming Bouquet, this is Nude Bouquet. So if you're a girl, young girl, whoever girl, on a budget girl, whatever girl, if you're someone who has been looking at the Miss Dior but it's not in your price range, save your money for now. I mean, I know people like to have designer things, but these two are the exact, like, same. So I think this was like, I mean, I got a little bit cheaper because I was out of the country, but it was over $100. Let's just say that. But go ahead and buy the Nude Bouquet because it's good. It smells. Another affordable fragrance that I have been going crazy over for the past few years is this MAC fragrance. For a very long time, I had no idea that MAC sold perfume. I was watching a YouTuber. I can't remember her name, but she was raving about this. I'm like, oh, well, let me go and see what the hype is about. This right here. This gives me vacation, and I take this on every vacation. I'm getting ready for a vacation right now. She will be with me. It smells like a resort. Like, it smells like it's supposed to be on the beach. It smells so good. I can't even, like I said, I'm gonna put the note of the like what these like the different scents that these consist of, because I really don't know, but I'm gonna put it on the screen for you. But when I say this, oh my goodness, yeah. Oh, this runs for, I think this is like 80 bucks. So it's a little bit up there, it is, but it's still affordable. It's under 100. So if you have not tried any MAC perfumes, I definitely recommend going to the MAC store, trying out a sample. They even have smaller sizes where you can roll it on, and it's like 25 bucks. So I would definitely start there if you're not sure. You have to let it grow on you. But this is my favorite. This had, like, I have to, if I'm traveling, this has to, like, if it's somewhere tropical, let's say that, because, like, look at it, come on. It's giving beach, it's giving resort, it's giving, like, luxury to me, but on a budget. So definitely check this out. So the next one would be Valentino. This smells so good. The name of this one, I have no idea. I'll put it on the screen, because I don't know the name, but I know I love it. And the Jackie Aina, hard to get, reminds me of this just a little bit, This is really good. This, I believe, runs for $120 if I'm not mistaken, but I love this Valentino. It's in a good price range if you're not trying to spend like a whole lot of money. I've never spent more than $200 on fragrance. That's just me. That's me. But if you got it like that, do it. I mean, not saying I don't, but I'm just like, I think you can just do stuff on a budget. I'm someone who's just now getting into like luxury high-end fragrances, because I'm like, okay, well, let me see if there's a huge difference. It is for some, but as I just showed, the Dior and the Zara, if you smell it for yourself, you will see that it's very much almost the same fragrance. But this Valentino is one that I love. It's I would say it's kind of mid-range in price, because I'm pretty sure it was 120. I can't really remember the price. Maybe it's a little bit cheaper now, but I don't know. I'll put it on the screen. But I absolutely love this. As you can see, I need a new bottle ASAP. So yeah. Okay. So the final fragrance that I have, which is my most recent, I got outside of the Forvr mood, I believe. I think. I'm not sure. Is this J'adore Dior. When I say this, it gives, like, I don't know. It just smells so good. I remember when I bought this, and I was at the counter at like Dillard's or Macy's or something, I don't know. And I smelled this, and I was like, this smells very similar. Like, this smells similar to something I've smelled in my lifetime. Not something I had before, but something I know I smelled. I'm like, why does this smell so like, you know, like I've smelled this before, right? So I'm asking the girl at the counter, and she was like, oh no, this is like a new release. This is new. Like, they never had anything like this. I was like, are you sure? I feel like I smelled this when I was like a child, and I know I was right. So when I ended up, when I initially smelled this, I didn't buy this. I bought Dior foundation, but I didn't like it, so I took it back to another Dillard's, and the girl that sold me this, she was like, yeah, this is something that I mean, this is a new scent of the original. So this is like a new formula for an old fragrance, because I was like, this smells like my mother. Not in like old lady vibe, but she's not that old. But I'm just like, this smells like something my mom and her friends used to wear back in the day. Like, I smelled this as a child. This smells. First of all, let's take a moment for the bottle. Look how beautiful this is. I really wear her. She's special. She's for special occasions only, honey, okay? Yes, ma'am. So, look how beautiful she is. Look how beautiful she is. So elegant, so classy, so pretty. I love it so much. This, I don't know what this reminds me of. I have no idea. It's like very powdery. It just smells so good. The difference between this one and like the normal formula, this one does not have alcohol in it. So there's no alcohol in it, and it's not as I guess it's not as potent as like the original formula. Like obviously with the alcohol removed from it, that would make sense. But you can spray this in your hair, you can spray this on your body. So when I knew that this was like, okay, I need some versatility, this is the one. Because I like for my hair to smell good. I like for, you know, to, not all perfume needs to go on your skin. And I'm like, okay, this one, it's giving something that I want. And I just love her. I love her so much. She is, I believe, 100 and, I don't know. She's over $100. I know that for sure. But if you're looking to splurge on something, let this be it. We talked about what's affordable already. But if you're looking to splurge on something, this is the one. She smells so good. This gives like, I don't know, like date night with my man. Like, yeah. It gives like romantic, I don't know, like date night, dressing up, like not no dinner and a movie type date. Like it's giving like, oh, we in Paris. We did like, I don't know. I have no idea, but this is so good. Like, oh, it's secretive. I wish y'all could smell it. I wish I could just give this to y'all so y'all can smell it, but I love that. All right, so that will complete my little perfume haul of what's affordable if anyone is looking to really start collecting some good fragrances. But if you're on a budget, a lot of the ones that I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I would say go to Zara. Go to Zara. Just walk around, sniff and let it sit, sniff some more, because Zara has some really good fragrances. Because a lot of these Zara fragrances are dupes to the luxury high-end fragrance. However, I did mention a few high-end, but they're still under $200. But yeah, that's my little spiel. Like I said, go check out Forever Mood. Go buy this discovery set because you will not be disappointed. Like, it smells so good. I will be going to Sephora or ordering online to go ahead and buy You Remind Me because I love it. 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 Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any of these fragrances, and if you do, what's your favorite? What do you think? Also, if you have tried Jackiana fragrance, let me know what you think because sis did her big one on that. I loved everything about it. I love it, I love it, I love it, and I look forward to just like, you know, building my perfume collection because we all know Jackie has a huge one. I don't plan on having one like that, but I really want to start, you know, putting thought and effort and investing in the way I smell. So yes, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and be a part of the family. Yeah, I will see y'all in the next one.